Hey, Strange Things Happen in America subscribers, what's up? The following video shows a man fleeing from cops in a white truck, which he at one point abandoned to try to steal a motorcycle at a red light. Joshua Monigold, a suspect in a Tucson hit-and-run incident, spent 5 days on the run before police caught up with him near Phoenix, where he was arrested. The man whose motorcycle Monigold tried to steal and then destroyed said his first instinct was to defend himself. The chase proceeded along Interstate 10, where police eventually brought him to a crashing halt. After the crash, Monigold still had plenty of fight left in him to argue and put up a little bit of a resistance, according to a police officer. Monigold has served 7 years behind bars since 2003 and had been arrested 17 times on charges including felony burglary, robbery, extortion, and drug and weapons charges. Monigold was taken to a hospital and is expected to remain under medical care for serious but non-life-threatening injuries. He has not yet been booked into jail. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to our channel for more crazy stories every week, and I'll see you next time.